Are you the victim of snore? Well, the good news, you're not alone. Let's find out some good tips on how to sleep like babies again. Try not to sleep on your back. Elevate your head with the help of multiple pillows or only one pillow that is sick. Pillows help reduce snoring. Stop drinking alcoholic beverages and sleeping pills before you go to sleep. Avoid eating cookies, cakes, pizza, chocolate and other rich foods. Sleep on firm pillows. Usually soft pillows encourage that muscles relaxation and narrow air passages. Stop smoking. When this is too hard for you, try to avoid smoking before going to sleep, because it causes that inflammation and swelling. Avoid drinking caffeine about 6 hours before getting to bed. Get a relaxing massage before going to sleep. Also, some really good and not expensive devices that help to stop snoring. Advanced design snore pin, stop snoring mouthpiece, Ecotech sound and sleep machine. Devices that aimed at curing your throat and jaw muscles is a really good start. Just remember, the muscles in your jaw become loose, like any other muscles as you age. Tightening them back could help very well with snoring. Give a try to our Cure Snoring in 7 days and have a good sleep!